to convert mixed number to improper fraction. Let's have sample number 1. 3 and 1/4. Number 1, 3 and 1/4. Sa pagsulat nga po pala ng mixed number, whole and then proper fraction, laging katapat ng whole number sa gitna yung over. Hindi pwedeng bumaba ang 3 at hindi rin pwedeng tumaas ang 3. So, 3 and 1/4. We're going to convert this mixed number to improper fraction. So, in converting this type of fraction, first we have to multiply its denominator to its whole number. So, 3 times 4 is 3, 6, 9, 12. After ma-find ang 12, we're going to add the answer to its numerator. 12 plus 1 is 13. So, the answer is 13, yun ang magiging numerator, so 13 over, then copy its denominator 4. So, let's have the checking. 4, 8, 12 is 3. And then, may 1 na isa, 13, and 1/4. Napakadali. 4, 8, 12. So, 3 na yung whole number. Plus 1, 13. So, yun ang magiging numerator, and the denominator will be 4. Another example, 8 and 2/3. Again, multiply. 8, 16, 24. Plus 2, 25, 26. Then, copy its denominator, 3. So, this is our answer.